Hey, good morning everyone. Pat Golinski here on another interesting refinish. Now this one has a very interesting backstory to it. Now over the course of my career, I have worked for some amazing people, celebrities, rock and roll people, Fortune 500 people, rocket scientists, no kidding. But today's story is about an actress. Think about this. Marie Dressler, a Canadian-born actress in the 1860s, came to Hollywood as a youngster, worked in silent film against Charlie Chaplin, then moved on to spoken word film, as we know it today, Greta Garbo. She actually won an Academy Award in 1931. Sadly, she passed away in 1935 from cancer at the age of 65. Why am I telling you this? Because today, I'm refinishing her clawfoot bathtub. Well, here it is, Marie Dressler's 6-foot soaking tub. This thing is a monster. Huge. The rim is a good 3/4 of an inch thick. This must be 600 pounds. This was refinished just last year. Guy didn't know what he was doing. Obviously, it's peeling off. I'm here to refinish it, and it is going to be beautiful. Well, I think Miss Marie Dressler, if she was looking down on me today, which she may be, she'd be very proud of how we're doing this. Right now, I've spent 5 hours stripping paint. 5 hours. It was agonizing, but man, so worth it. Just the stripped off crappy finish that the last guy did, it looks killer. Now, we're going to refinish it. Well, here she is, all done. I know Miss Dressler is looking down on us and saying, oh my God, would I love to take a soak in that now. We brought this thing back to life with a high level of gloss and a super longevity. I am so honored to do this job for these fine folks. Do you have a cool project like this, even though it might not be as interesting as a Hollywood actress using this thing? Reach out to me anytime, 772-678-9758. I'm Pat Golinski. I love doing this stuff for you. Thanks for watching.